Hi, Otto. You are so cute. You're such a funny looking guy, too. Terror.
I saw him and I was like, David got the cute.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. How old is he?
He is 5 months exactly.
5 months?
Yeah. I'm gonna have, here, just give me the keys.
It's ready to go. There it is. No. 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 So obviously leash biting and stuff, we're gonna stop that. So I'm just telling him, oh, you caught yourself that time. What we're gonna do to start here is I wanna start conditioning him in. When he feels this pressure, it means to start moving towards me, right? So this is, in addition to teaching him to move towards me, it's also gonna start to teach him to shift his attention away from things, right? So what I'm gonna do is just start walking around. If I need to give a leash pull, I'm gonna be pairing a tap on the e-collar with that. Yeah, this looks great. I mean, he's dragging a little bit, but he's not going back to you guys like he was last session for sure. Yeah, I mean, you see him catching himself. That's great. Look at you guys. Yeah, right? Superstar. Look how much of an adult he's looking like. He's looking like a teenage boy or something, you know? God, he was so small when you guys brought him that first time. I remember that first session. Were you here for the first session? Yeah. Whoa. Nice. Awesome. All right, why don't you guys go ahead and switch? Nice. Come here, buddy.
Otto,
Nice. And then break him. Otto. Nice. Okay, so these next couple, I'm gonna make it really challenging, so when he does it correct, actually reward him for it. This one's for the gram page. Otto! Come here, buddy. Come on. Nice. Looks great. All right. Good job.